We think of it as a dry technical subject, but to me the reality is that tax is the foundation of all of the things that we care about in development.
I'm Vanessa, this is Max. We're in Makola Markets in Accra learning about the taxes that market vendors pay.
Learn about issues of gender and tax in low-income countries with me.
Hi, I'm Martin. I'm here at Somerset House in London. Important negotiations took place here almost 100 years ago that shaped the way governments tax multinational companies even today.
Hi, I'm Colette, a Logro research lead. Come learn about property taxes and why they are underperforming and yet so important for local governments with Wilson, Pritchard and I
really think research is crucial to good policy making.
It's the foundation for service delivery, for redistribution. It shapes economic growth. It's a foundation for good governance. It's how we build accountability between citizens and governance. It really embodies the social contract in the places where we work. And I can't think of anything more exciting and more important to work on.
The things that government actually taxes are very different from the things that they should tax.
The tax is the most important source of development financing today. In the typical African country, tax contributes more to financing the development strategy than aid.
So come learn with us about informality and taxation.
Come and learn more about international tax with me.
So please come and learn about tax and governance with me.
Come learn with us.